A curious narrator guides viewers through building a mini thunderstorm in a jar using water, glittery mist, and a simple fan to spark droplets. They measure temperature, track droplet formation, and explain how condensation releases energy that powers real storms in a kid-friendly way. Step by step, they layer water, food coloring, and a soap film, tilt the jar, and briefly create a plume that simulates lightning with shaking and sound effects. The lesson ties to real life, weather forecasting, and invites kids to record data and compare with online forecasts. Viewers are encouraged to recreate the experiment safely at home and think like meteorologists.